Wake up early. Check. Take a 2-mile run. Better make that 1 mile. Become track team captain. Soon enough.
Are you the one?
The one?
Yes, the one. The one to make me extremely happy and make all my dreams come true?
I mean, I can be the one.
Okay, so I just want to go over a few details first, just to make sure. So, black hair, soft, brown eyes, loves to take long walks on the beach, and gives you the sweetest kisses like it's the first time every time.
How can it be the first time every time?
And don't forget about personality. I mean, come on, he has to be nice and protective and energetic.
Well, I did run a marathon once. Backwards.
And he needs to be super caring and affectionate.
I don't mean to brag, but I did save an orphanage full of starving kittens. Of course, I adopted them all afterwards.
Oh, finally. And this one's a major deal breaker.
What is it?
Must be housebroken.
Okay, I haven't went to bed since like the 4th grade, but...
Excuse me for a sec. What?
Okay, so there was this one other time in the 6th grade, but...
Okay, listen, I understand this is a public area and everything, but I don't need to know your personal business. And quite frankly, I don't even know who you are, and I definitely don't need to know the last time you had an accident.
But Christopher Stewart, the one.
The one? What one?
The one we've been talking about.
Okay, no. You're not the one.
But I am. I'm the one who's caring and protective. I can give you the soft kiss that you're looking for.
Uh-huh, and are you also, four-legged and furry by chance?
What?
Oh, you're confused. Okay, I get it. I'm the one sitting here minding my own business while, on the phone trying to adopt a dog, while you, creepy dude in an incredibly sweaty shirt, bothers me.
But...
Just stay away from me.
No point in following her. She's already taken.